This is the unboxing video of the Smooth Q 3-axis smartphone stabilizer by Zizun. I bought it for about $119. I have been using it for almost a year now, and I can tell you that it is such a cool product. I'm really glad I bought it. Money well spent. It looks like a mini guitar. The Smooth Q is a low-budget camera gimbal, but it is a very high-quality one. It does its job very well. It does what it's supposed to, which is to stabilize your videos, and it does that so well.
What is this? Looks like a mini guitar.
So, what's in the box? Let's do the unboxing. The gimbal itself. The gimbal, it looks great quality. Nice and smooth. It hasn't been charged yet. It just came out of the box. A strap and a USB charger. What else is in the box? A free metal stand, cleaning cloth.
Everything seems very compact and light.
Let's see how smooth it is. Let's go test it out. Okay, I'm gonna turn it on for the first time. It's on. Wow, it is so smooth. And the motor is quiet, whisper quiet. We don't even hear it. I don't even hear any sound coming from the motor. Wow, so smooth. It is smooth. It's off. Wow. It feels pretty light and nimble. And it's whisper quiet. The Smooth Q 3-axis smartphone stabilizer. It's smooth and quiet like a Lexus. Let's go test it out. Let's go see how smooth it is.
Let's see what this baby can do.
We are filming today using two iPhone SE. The iPhone SE does not have an internal video stabilizer. The video's images on the top of the screens are very shaky and unstable because that's filmed on the iPhone SE handheld. Whereas the images on the bottom are more stable. It's on the gimbal. On the split screen view, on the left side, you can see the iPhone SE attached to the gimbal. You can see the difference in video quality of using the gimbal and not using the gimbal. The video images on the right are very shaky and unstable. Well, here I am filming my friend who is riding the 9-baht Segway Mini Pro carrying the One Wheel Plus. Isn't that crazy? It's very cool and original.
Let's see a comparison videos of walking.
Let's see a comparison videos for running.
The images on the gimbal are spectacular.
I told you, the images are so smooth, like a Lexus. The gimbal is so easy to use. A single charge lasts 12 hours. Bonjour. Comment ça va? Ça va bien?
Oui.
The gimbal came with a free metal tripod, and once attached, the gimbal can stand on its own and film itself. It's pretty cool. I like that. The gimbal is a game changer for me. It makes my videos look so much better, so much smoother, buttery smooth. I love using the gimbal. It's an essential gear for me. I take the gimbal with me everywhere I go, just like I take my iPhone with me everywhere I go. You can get the Smooth Q 3-axis stabilizer at Best Buy now for about $99. That is a great deal. Go get one. Best Buy also has a section of different camera gimbals on display there. Go check it out.